Ever wonder if your green card has a secret expiration clock hiding inside your suitcase? Spoiler alert, it kinda does, and most people find out the hard way. Here is the wild part nobody tells you at your green card interview. You can technically keep your green card for 10 years, but customs officers can still question your loyalty the moment you cross back into the country. Think of your green card like a gym membership you paid for but stopped using. The government does not love it when you show up once a year just to prove you still exist. 6 months is the magic number burned into most immigration lawyers' brains. Stay outside the United States for more than 6 months, and a customs officer can start asking why you really left in the first place. 1 year outside the country is where things get spicy. Cross that 1-year mark without a re-entry permit, and you basically hand the government a golden excuse to say you abandoned your green card. Now let us talk about the re-entry permit, which is basically a hall pass from immigration. It tells the government, hey, I know I am leaving for a while, please do not assume I ghosted the country. You have to apply for that re-entry permit while you are still physically inside the United States. People try to apply from overseas all the time, and immigration says, nice try, denied. Here's a common misunderstanding that trips up even smart people. Having a valid green card in your pocket does not automatically mean you get to walk back into the country without questions. Customs and Border Protection officers are trained to look at your travel pattern like a detective looks at a crime scene. If your trips outside the country look longer than your trips inside, they start building a story that you actually live somewhere else now. Immigration lawyers call this the totality of circumstances test, which sounds fancy but really just means they look at everything. Your job, your home, your taxes, your family ties, all of it gets thrown into one big decision about whether you are still a real resident. Paying United States taxes every single year is one of the simplest ways to prove you never left in spirit. Skipping your tax filings while living abroad is like skipping your homework and hoping the teacher forgets to check. Let us bust a myth real quick because pop culture loves to get this wrong. Green card holders are not immune from deportation just because they are not citizens yet. Distance and time abroad can absolutely put that status at risk. A good immigration lawyer usually tells clients the same 3 things before any long trip. Keep your ties strong, keep your paperwork ready, and never assume 6 months is a free pass just because it is technically under the limit. The honest truth is immigration law rewards preparation way more than it rewards luck. Planning your trips ahead of time with legal guidance beats explaining yourself to a stressed out officer at 2 in the morning. So if you are planning a long trip abroad and want someone in your corner who actually knows this stuff, if you want to learn more about how our team can help protect your status, check out our links in the description below.